Hey, you guys. So when you get access to this site, this is the screen you should come to. Do you see on the right-hand side, it says Insert Pages and Themes. You're going to want to go to Pages, and then you can see all the different pages there, and you're just going to click on the page. So I'm going to click on Molly's, and it'll say Molly's book. In order to put your books into your page, so Molly, what she'll have to do, she'll have to go to Insert, and then she's going to go to Text Box, and you can see it'll open right under where it says Molly's Books. And now you can cut and paste from a Word document. You can type right in here, however you want to do it. You can link things. If you make a table in Google Doc, or if you've got bullets or something, I would just cut and paste. I would make your document somewhere and just paste it right in there. And then when you're ready, you just hit Publish, and it'll just actually show you what you just published. So, or yeah, I would hit Publish after you put something in it, and I think we can just say, oh, and we can kind of keep, there you go, and then it would be published. So I just wanted to show you, and then we can, then Paige could get on here. Go to her page, go to Insert, Text Box, and boom, right there. It's that easy.